Do you ever wish you had an extra hand to open your tailgate after shopping or going to the grocery store? Hey everyone, this is Chris over at BMW Freeport, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use your kick to open tailgate feature on your 2021 BMW X7. First, make sure you have your key on your person. Next, aim directly below the license plate, walk up to the car and make one swift kick movement under the car. This will open your tailgate. To close your tailgate, repeat the previous steps. Walk up to the car and make one swift kick movement under the car. This will close your tailgate. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact us over at BMW Freeport, located at 291 West Sunrise Highway, Freeport, New York. Have a great day and stay safe.